Hello everyone, how's life? I'm Jacob. This is our next C video. We're going to talk about more things on C, and we're going to take inputs from the user and we're going to learn how to do it. This is, I guess, the third video. So let me exit from fish and let's just vim app.c. Okay, previous nodes, let's remove them. Okay. Well, in the previous video, or recording, yes. In the previous video, actually, you learned that what is the main function and what is this include keyword doing. What is stdio.h? I told you that it's a header file. And now you know what are functions in C. You know that we can write function or we can use the predefined or pre-written functions in different header files and libraries, like for example printf, which exists or which lives in stdio.h. And right now I want to show you something, and actually in the next videos we're going to talk about data types. In this video we're not going to actually throw details of the data types in C. Right now you know that I can, for example, type in something easily, and just let me actually full screen and let me increase the font size. Let's open a Tmux so we can split. Let's see, let's choose a better font. Sorry, a better theme. And that's not font, that's font. Industry is good. So, if I just save it, let's say gcc app.c. Okay, now if I say hello, easily I can see hello with \n. As I told you, the special character for new line. And for tab space, for example, now if you press tab, you can see that this space, which equals with 4 actually manual spaces, look, 1 2 3 4, okay, it's just \t. If I say \t here, for example, you can see, sorry, hello, you see there's a tab here, 4 spaces. Okay, now we wanna just say, for example, there's an int number. Int stands for integer, a number. Sorry if I have typo, because here is dark and my keyboard does not have backlight. So an integer, for example, 1 2 3 4. Okay, we will talk about data types and actually their capacity in the future videos. In this video we're just going to talk about Scanf. So for example, I can say number is 10. Also I can say, it's okay if you don't understand what is this syntax str, I can say okay, and easily I can use some type specifiers like %s, which stands for strings. Okay, wait a second, let's go, stands for strings. And for example we have D for decimal, we can say number, or sorry, we can say str and then number, because str, you know, it's like a placeholder. The str here just leaves in this place, which is %s, which means a placeholder for a string, and here for a decimal or an integer we can also use %i, and here's the number. gcc app.c, targ is here 10. True, yes. And also here we can have a \n, if you don't mind. Targ is here and the number 10. Okay, good. Now, what if I want to take something from user, for example? I just want to take number from user. There's a method, there's a function, sorry. Here we don't have methods. Methods are implemented inside classes, and because in C we don't have classes, so we just call them functions or procedures. Okay, now I have a function called scanf. Scanf. And if you check the synopsis of it, we can say man3 scanf. You can check it here. Family of functions scanf for method input like scanf, which we will look at in future videos, but read from a file. Actually, scanf can read from a file. And also we have, I guess, fscanf. Yeah. We will talk about different functions in the actually future videos. So in our videos you're going to see many functions, and you're going to actually find the ability to work with different functions. So just don't worry and just watch the videos. So in the future videos you will learn how to use each function in C. So now let's just actually write the code in a way that we can take the number from the user. Scanf here takes 2 parameters. Actually here I must say what is the type that I wanna take as an input. So I say %d because I'm going to take a decimal from the user, and be careful to not type in \n here by mistake. Okay, I will explain why in future. It has a simple reason, but it's a bit tricky. I say it's %d, and actually here it's not like, for example, Python, that you say, for example, number equals scanf, or number equals input, like we have in Python. So that's not like that. It's just about pointers, which we'll have 3 videos or 2 videos about pointers in future. So pointers are very essential in C, and you have to learn how to work with pointers in C as a C programmer. So here it's just the syntax you have to learn, and we just say ampersand number, and here for beauty we can say, or let me just show you. We compile our app, and as you can see here, it is waiting for me to type in something. I type, for example, 12, and here I have the number 12. And here I can add a message. I can say type in a number, I say for example 23, and it prints it out. Now let's, for example, do something great. Number 1, number 2. Here we can simply add another scanf for number 2. Oh, and I can also add a message here. Printf, enter the second number. Enter the first number. Oops. Number undeclared. Oh, he's right. He's right. Oh, why the compiler is a he? Perhaps she's a she. Okay, stop joking. I wanna say just number 2 plus number 1. Arithmetics. Some math. So GCC. Enter the first number. I say 10. Enter the second number. I say 10. Now I get 20. Easy. Another one. 5 and 5. 58, sorry. 63. And like this, I can take two numbers from input and I can print the sum. Or even I can say int result. Okay. And before printing, I can say that result equals number 1 plus number 2. True. And then I can say just result. (24). And that's it. In this video, you learned how to use Scanf in C, and you see that you can take two inputs and just do some simple arithmetics, which you can do in every programming language. In the future videos, we will see different data types. In the next video, actually, we're going to talk about data types and different type specifiers and what exactly they are, like %d, %s, %i. And you will see how you can use them to write more code and better code. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.